Bismillahir Rahmanir Rahim. Today I'm going to tell you about namaz. What is the virtue of namaz in Deen Islam for Muslim people? First, Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam said, just namaz is difference between Muslim and non-Muslim. Number one. Number two, if we think about that, like the namaz is difference between Muslim or non-Muslim, if we doesn't perform pray, so we are same to same like as a non-Muslim. We should think about that in 1 week, how many time, how many days we perform pray. Number one. And number two, the Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam said, the neck is very important for body. Exactly like this, the namaz is very important for Deen Islam. And the body is nothing unuseless without of neck. So exactly like this,